Hi, my name is Lee Elliott. I'm the director of the Wonderful Life Project here in Grand Island. I would like to tell you about a training program coming to our community. That program is stress inoculation. There is no doubt, folks, that stress is one of the things that really can make our lives miserable. It also is the major contributor to healthcare costs that we can control. The other thing that stress does to us is it tremendously shortens our lives. It makes great sense that we would take whatever actions we need to do to reduce the stress that we have day in and day out. Fortunately, there is research out there to tell us how to do that. One of the things that the research is showing us, for example, is that we make mistakes in the way we think about things. One of those mistakes is believing that we can and maybe should be able to control other people's behavior. That becomes, if you would, an unenforceable rule for other people's behavior. It doesn't work, and it is a tremendous source of stress to us. If in fact we take a different perspective and say that we wish people would feel or act a particular way, we will experience less stress. A little simple change in our thinking, such as that, reducing the demand that other people act the way we think they should, to wishing that they would act the way we think they should, will reduce our stress. Little simple changes like that can help us dramatically. The net consequence for us, we'll enjoy our lives, we'll have better health, and we will live longer. Moreover, when we come home at night, we'll be less stressed out and we can enjoy our families more, and just frankly, folks, have a better life. My hope is that you can make it to this training.
To register for this training, contact Julia at the YWCA. We do expect the program to fill quickly. Please register as soon as possible.